Now let's talk about which books have had the most impact on you in shaping your mindset in a way.
Okay, so actually I collected some books from my library, so I can show you the books. And I would say I'm touching again different areas. If you're interested in AI, well, then definitely there is AI, a modern approach from Russell and Norvig. This book is like the Bible. When
Okay.
I was teaching my class in AI, that was the book I was using for examples, for design my slides and everything, because this is the Bible. Every student that has taken the class in AI has seen this book. Okay.
Okay.
Uh, if you are interested, now in my case, in my work, I like to approach with learning with probabilistic models, right? So there is a lot of instead of having a black box that takes input, come out with an answer, I want a black box that takes an input and come out with a probability distribution that tells me this is the most likely action that will succeed in your task. Okay, and this book is amazing. Machine learning, a probabilistic perspective of Murphy, which provides the same techniques that you can find in thousands of other books on machine learning, but it provides a probabilistic perspective. So it tells you how to represent this model probability fashion. It tells you how to reformalize the same problems that you have seen with this kind of particular approach. And that is very strongly suggested. This book is really nice. If you don't have a probabilistic probability theory background, this book provides you the basic information you need to have
Okay.
to do that.
Can you give the author's name again for this book?
Murphy, Kevin Murphy.
Ah, okay. Mhm.
And again, moving to more robotics application, there is a probabilistic robotics. Again, same
Yeah.
kind of many algorithms are the same provided from the other book, but the other book touches a more generic machine learning kind of applications. Here is very much towards robotics and making robots work. So it touches how you can localize yourself with your mobile robot, how you can interact with the world. There is a bit of manipulation. There is a lot of books also citing literature, so the papers that have been written in the community and show the best state-of-the-art algorithm for this kind of problems. And this is really much focus on application to robotics.
Uh-huh.
Uh, on machine learning, another book, actually, this is the book I use for study, which is pattern
Yeah.
recognition machine learning. This is mostly about, machine learning applied to computer vision, maybe, right? But pattern recognition is feature extraction can be used for many other approaches.
Yeah.
Indeed, yes, but a lot of examples are on computer vision still. But this book is the one I studied when I was doing machine learning at school. Very good. Indeed, you
Yeah.
can see plenty of notes inside.
Yeah, this one is also recommended in our curriculum. This one is also, yeah, our curriculum is also mostly based on this. So the machine learning one.
Yeah, it's a very basic book. It's a Bible.
Yeah.
Yeah. Uh, but for reinforcement learning, this is the one I studied on during my PhD. The reinforcement learning. This is really specific on reinforcement learning. You can find reinforcement learning in the other books as well, a brief introduction, and they always cite this book because they say if you want to understand better this, go to reinforcement learning book by some. But
Okay.
this is not for reinforcement learning. So if you again, machine learning, reinforcement learning, like techniques that solves the class, right? And this is like provides an alternative way of solving or formalizing this particular problems.
What's the name of the author for reinforcement learning?
Sutton
Okay.
or Sutton, whatever you want to call it. Then obviously there is the
Yeah.
guy by Goodfellow. Again, this is the Bible for deep learning. If you want to be familiar with deep networks and the idea of how having deep models can solve the problem in a different way and of advantages and disadvantages we provide to use this kind of architecture. This book is very nice.
Okay.
And that's all for like the real technical parts. And I have some other books here, two books that I wanted to show you. One is, Stride. I actually have all the collection of Strang's book because Strang's is an amazing lecture for math and linear algebra and algebra and calculus. There are open courses online, and I really suggest you if you wanted to have a strong background, you want to understand deeper this kind of concept, to follow the classes are amazing. You can use the book to follow the classes because it takes a lot of stuff from the book. And this is just an example of this series of book I have about strength by strength and this interaction which for machine learning is best. Linear is vector space,
Yeah.
metric space, how you manipulate those, features are basically vectors of features, and you need to manipulate them as vectors. And so, if you want to understand the algorithms behind the deep learning or machine learning or AI, you need to understand the and that's book is really great help. And then two reads Bayesian Brain. If you're interested in this kind of
Uh-huh.
neuroscience kind of approach where you try to understand behavior, human behavior, so that can be applied to robotics or machine learning, and try to understand how the evidence that explain how brain, or at least what kind of functionality the brain has, and how we can model this kind of functionality. And here, the key point is spoiler alert. You're using probabilistic approach. So, like the brain is a Bayesian machine that does filters and combine prior with observation to compute posterior distribution and acts according to this probability that he has in mind. Okay, and this book is again a nice read. It's more than technical. Last one is Linear System and Chaos. This book
Okay.
can be this is Sogers, another great author, and this book does not require any understanding of math. The author decided not to use math at all within this book. It's just a good read, like maybe not the summer read that you take on the beach, but is a good read. It's concept where dynamics and the idea of chaos happens in natural application in with example that you can see in everyday life, and there are applications in physics, biology, chemistry, engineering. So people coming from different fields could read this book, understand the idea behind these are one of the best reads I ever
That's
had.
amazing. That's thank you very much for sharing these amazing books that have helped you during your robotics research journey. I think this is like uh, this will be definitely very helpful, and I'll also some of these books are already part of my curriculum, but a lot of other books were also new to me, so I'll also consider these books now.